Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we are doing an unboxing on Wizard Fafnir. And it comes with a light one, a really good launcher. The parts are Wizard Fafnir. The disc is Ratchet. And the driver is, Rise. And the launcher. Alright. The weight I did not cover, and I believe it's called Sen, I believe. And what's interesting about the disc is actually free spin, and the driver also has like a little piece right there to where it can actually stand. So, and it is rubber all the way around. Alright, Takara Tomy, and nothing else to check out. Alright, let's get into it. Oh boy, I already see the dang ripcord. Alright, so here is an orange ripcord. Alright, so here are the stickers. Not too many, actually. Let's check out this launcher. Alright, so the launcher, alright, toss it over there. Alright, so the launcher is gold with a orange ripcord. Nice. This feels really, really strong as well. Alright, and get this back a shot. So much tape. Alright. So, now let's get all this unboxed. Alright. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's get all this out of the way. Alright. So, let's check out the layer first. Oh my gosh, and this is actual rubber too. Yep. So, it almost has as much rubber as Mirage Fafnir, but a little bit less. But yeah, this is amazing. Alright, let's check out the disc. Yep, I knew it. Free spin only one way. Yeah, see? It will not move the other way, but it will spin freely in the other way. Alright, let's check out. Hold on, I kind of forgot about this. There's no code on it, but yeah, the detail on Fafnir's ship is actually quite good. Also with the green piece on. Alright, yeah, we already checked out the disc, and this is quite a different driver than Nothing and the Nothing driver and the Absorb driver, where it actually can do like stand up on the side and then start spinning. That's awesome. That's actually quite awesome. And then also the side kind of helps it with staying stable. Alright, let's check out. Oh, yep, I had to do that. But yeah, that is nice and tight. Alright, let's get into some test battles with Wizard Fafnir. Alright guys, so I got the stadium out here, and let's try out Wizard Fafnir in a test spin, and let's try out this launcher as well. First out, let's see if how strong the launcher is. Oh, dang, this launcher is actually quite strong. Yep, and it's just going to sit in the middle. Like how Fafnir does. Alright, so let's now try it against a couple test battles. Alright. So, first Beyz to go up against Wizard Fafnir is Slash Valkyrie. And second Beyz would be Flare Dragon. Alright. And if we can, we might actually try this thing from a standstill and see if it actually does work. Which I believe it does. Alright. So, like I said, first Bey / Valkyrie. Alright. Oh! Dang! That was a pocket burst. Alright, so ring out finish. For slash, and no clicks on slash. Alright. Let's try that one more time with Wizard Fafnir. Let's get a light launch. Like how Fafnir's supposed to do. Oh. Alright. So it seems like launching it ain't gonna work. So let's try hand spinning it. Okay. I don't know why this thing keeps on getting wrung out. But now, let's move on to Flare Dragon. Let's see if Wizard Fafnir does not get wrung out by this thing. Oh, wow. Yeah, I might want to move Gushing Stadium. Dang. Flare Dragon's a bit jumpy. Alright. Wizard Fafnir. Alright. And 2 clicks. I do not actually know what that came off of. But alright. Yeah. So this thing. Oh yeah, we need to try it from a standstill. Yeah, let's try it from there. Let's try to see. Oh my gosh, it started up. It actually worked. It just won. Oh my gosh, just for that, yep. This thing's just amazing. From a standstill, it just spin-stealed from a Flare Dragon. Wow. This thing is incredible. Alright. And plus, I only seen one person do this. And, yeah, we just kind of did the same thing, but, yeah. Alright. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope they enjoyed it. Subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Keep on spinning.